name's Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to enable Snap to Grid in Blender. And this basically just means that whatever you're moving, vertices, edges, objects, they're going to snap to that virtual grid that you see laid out like a floor. So the individual grid lines, it's going to use that as a guide and allow you to move those around instead of fluidly snapping it to the lines. This is really great if you're trying to line up sides of a wall or something like that, you know, the buildings. Because it can be a little bit difficult to get it exactly precise, and sometimes when you render these out for a game, you'll get a leaking error because they're not exactly in there. Or if they're overlapping, then you get a little bit of what's called Z-fighting. And so this is a nice way to get it exactly precise. So here I am inside of Blender, and I've got this pretty awesome looking sword that I've modeled. And I'm going to select it, and if I go to move it, it's snapping to the grid. This option down here, if you look at the bottom of your 3D view, it's got this little magnet, and that's our snap button. And you can select what exactly it's going to snap to. If I turn it off real quick, you can see we get a very fluid motion. And that's great for animating, but not so great for lining stuff up. So I'm going to re-enable it one more time, and once again our object is now snapping to the grid lines, and you'll notice it's snapping by that center pivot point. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to enable snapping in Blender. I'm Josiah Ray.